Welcome, Brew Day. It's magical. I'm glad we get to do this together. It's been a while. You guys seen a lot of tasting videos, but now we're brewing. Today, yes, I'm doing an IPA. Yes, I am. But it's fine. It's another one. I know. It's fine, though. Really not a big deal. I'm trying something, though, with it. I'm not just making an IPA. I'm trying something with hops that I have never seen done before. And I'm thought about it. I'm like, why? Why has this never been done before? And that is putting hops in the mash. But Jason, people do hop mashing. That's totally normal. It is normal. It can be done and has been done, but I have never ever seen it done with a brew in a bag. Why has it never been done with a brew in a bag? The brew in a bag method, you thin out the mash big time. All your grains contained in a bag. You take out the bag out of your now wort, and you have your wort to boil. Why not put the hops in there? So I'm going to try it. I'm going to put the hops. What would be a 30-minute steep in the bag around it? Stir it in like I would for any normal steep. Run it off, not boil it, cool it down. Got a beer. It's the ultimate raw ale. It's the ultimate raw ale. I don't know it can get any simpler than this or any faster. This could be an hour and a half brew day, start to finish with all grain. Yeah, let's do it. Let's get started. I'm gonna nail this one. I know it. There are times where I leave some mistakes out. Not very often. I'm usually pretty honest. Everything I do that's stupid. This is a minor one though. It's not a big deal. I haven't milled the grains yet. I mean, it happens to the best of us. Really isn't a big deal. I'll do it real quick. We'll get going again. All right. Well, I'm doing this today in a cooler because someone suggested it. On my last brew day where I did a brew in a bag, there was a bunch of comments on suggestions on how to do it, how to keep it warm. If you guys want to look through those, who hasn't seen that, go through the comments. There's good suggestions on that. I'll link that in the description below. And I have just enough here of volume to make this work. It should hold pretty good. I just put the lid on and was a little too full still. It happens. I've never seen that in any video or any photo. I'm guessing it's all the beta-glucans from the oats. When I did my 100% rye IPA, it was the gummiest thing I've ever experienced in my life. And I wonder if just doing a thin mash in brew in a bag, if more gets in there, I don't know. But this is crazy looking. So the temp has obviously dropped since I mashed in. I'm actually doing another beer right now. So I ran off for that. I think when I was running off for that, I think it cooled down a little bit because I had a lid open and I was stirring it around. Anyway, 145 is still a totally okay range to steep this in. And yeah, starting timer for 30 minutes. My false bottom is in that. I'm hoping it keeps some of the hops back. We'll see. Okay, I'm going to heat this up for about 5 minutes, not get it to a boil, get it back to about 170 degrees Fahrenheit, somewhere in that range. Quick pasteurization, then going to cool it down. So I want to make sure all the bad stuff's out of it. There we have it. The gravity on this was 1054. It's going for 1055. I got this Cross My Loof yeast. Cross My Loof. It's a real ale. I think it's a brand. I did make a beer with it already. The tasting is not done, meaning I haven't tried it yet. It's still in the keg. So hopefully it's good to use. Okay, there you have it. I think the IBUs in this will be lower. I put 80 in the program, but because it's steeped at 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and I think it'll be closer to like 65, 60 range, somewhere there, which is fine. Gonna let it do its thing for a couple weeks and do a tasting then. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching this brew day video. I hope you got inspired, maybe learned a thing or two, or just had some fun. Keep getting weird. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and see you guys next time.